What? I know. Every time I do it, it shocks me, seriously. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm really pleased to have you here. This is a channel which is all about beauty. Today, we're talking about how to make your lips look bigger using makeup. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I've seen a lot of videos out there which show you how to make your lips look bigger, and there are lines in all sorts of places, and I just feel like who has the time? How do you even remember all that? So I'm gonna show you a really easy way. Now, just a quick disclaimer, I have had filler done in my lips. I do usually get it done probably about once a year, maybe twice a year, just a little bit, because it's a personal preference. I'm not going to endorse it, but I feel like you do you. If you want to get it done, get it done. If you don't like it, don't get it done. But I still follow this technique because I don't want to go all out with full-on filler, and then I feel like it's just going to look way OTT. So I decided to have a little bit of filler, and then I like to go the extra mile with this technique. So that's why I'm going to show you this, because it's really easy and anyone can use it. So before we go any further, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up because I'd really appreciate it and it helps me out with the algorithm. I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell button so that you never miss a video. You can also catch me on Instagram, where you can follow me for daily beauty news and PR unboxing, which you'll find on my stories. So let's get straight into the video. As you can see, I have nothing on my lips. There's not even lip balm. They are super dry, super thin. Really don't like them like this. So anyway, I'm gonna make them look bigger, and I can't wait to show you how easy this is. Honestly, super, super easy, super quick for you to do. So we're gonna go in with a concealer, which is darker than my skin tone. I'm using the Viseart concealer palette, but you guys can use anything that you have which is slightly darker. So I'm gonna use this shade here because I feel like this brown complements my skin tone well. Like, that's going to be way too dark and it's just going to look weird. So I'm going to use this one because I feel like it is the perfect shade to create shadow with my skin tone. So I'm going to go in with this, not too much product on the brush, and I'm literally just outlining my lips. So I'm going to go all the way round my lip line, but above it and below it. Can you see how quick that was? Look how much bigger my lower lip looks. Isn't that insane? Let's do the same with the top. So I'm going to basically apply this above now. So not too above, it's literally got to be directly above your lip line. You don't want to see a gap there. Oh my God, like honestly, how does it already look so much bigger? What? I know, every time I do it, it shocks me, seriously. So, okay, now we've applied that, we're gonna blend that in so that it doesn't look so obvious. I'm literally just going in with a kind of eyeshadow brush with nothing on there, and I'm blending it inwards. You just don't want to see like a harsh line close up. If you can't see it in the mirror close up, like as in obviously, then no one else is going to see it. Remember, you're just creating a shadow. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to brush over very lightly with a kind of powder foundation. I'm just going to go in with the MAC, what is this, MAC NC35. I very rarely use this, to be fair. Just use it for this sometimes. I'm going to tuck in my lips. Okay, so now we're going to go in with my lip liner. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude lip liner, one of my favorites. Now what we're going to do is overline our lips a little bit. So the main aim is that your real lip line, you've got to make sure you don't overline it on this area here or this area here, right? So otherwise it looks like one of those, like it looks like a fish. It looks really weird, like it's just way too out. So you want to kind of meet your real lip line here on the corners of your mouth. Now what we're going to do is start from the outer corner. So I'm going to start from my real lip line, and this is where we start going over the lip line a little bit. Same here. Now, I like going a little bit above my lip line here. And I don't like it to have that kind of dip. I like it to be pretty straight, not too straight. I'm going over my lip line. Okay, so upper lip is done, but we've still got to blend it. So what I'm gonna do is just feather it in on the outer corners. That's a little trick for you, because what it does, it makes the center of the lip look more plumper. So just feather it inwards on the outer corners. Now we're gonna do the lower lip. So we're gonna go right under here, and then go to the real lip line on the outer corner. And do the same here. We're going to feather in on the outer corner. Now I'm going to go in with my lipstick. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Luxe Liquid Lipstick in Barely Nude, and just a little swipe on the upper and lower lip. And now I'm going to blend that in. I blend in the lip line last. So now we're going to go into the lip line, kind of dragging it inwards. Do the same on the upper lip. Now I like going over with a kind of brighter colour, so I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Hollywood. It's like a pale peach, and I'm just going to go in the centre. And I'm just going to blend that in. I always drag inwards from the lip line. Like, how easy was that? So easy, anyone can do it. It's honestly as easy as that. You don't need to overcomplicate it with some of the lip contouring videos I've seen out there, which are way too complicated. Just follow these easy steps for bigger yet natural looking lips. Now, as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so that you never miss a video. Until the next video, take care, and I'll see you soon.